Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As of now, we have used images from Azure Marketplace, but today I want to showcase how to create a generalized VM image and stored into the Azure Computer Gallery. Then I will deploy a new virtual machine from the custom image. Let's understand the theory part. A custom image allows you to create virtual machines from pre-configured template, which can include your preferred operating system, applications, and settings. This enables you to standardize your deployments and automate the configuration of new VMs. There are two operating system states supports by Azure Compute Gallery. One is generalized image. A generalized image is one that has been prepared to be used as a template for creating multiple virtual machines. Another one is specialized image. A specialized image is an exact copy of a specific virtual machine and is typically used for restoring a machine to a particular state or for one-off deployment. Let's come to the Azure portal. Here I have already my existing setup. Here one app VM is there, and in this VM I have already installed the IIS role. And it is accessible through internet via HTTP protocol. You can see it is accessible through internet. Now before creating a generalized image, I have to perform certain steps. Let's come to the Microsoft page. Here few steps I need to follow. I have already logged in the virtual machines. First I need to delete that directory as per the guideline. It's under Windows Panther. I need to delete this directory first. Click on Windows folder, under Windows. Yeah, here is the directory. I have to delete this folder first. Okay. Then I have to perform the registry entry. Here that start value need to be fill with value 1. Okay, let's go to the registry path. Go to registry editor, H key local machine, system current control set services. system current control set, then services. Then CD-ROM. Okay, CD-ROM, and here start value. Start value already 1, that is fine. No need to change anything. After that, I have to run this command. First, go to the directory. Here, open CMD, run as administrator. Okay. Now under sysprep directory, I have to run this command. Okay. So please note one thing. After run this command, so this virtual machines is unusable. You cannot use. Okay. Okay, now I am going to put enter. Okay, enter system outbox experience OBA, perfect, and click on generalized and shutdown option. Okay, I'm going to click OK. Here remote desktop connection session automatic ended. We can see it is stop state. Now I am going to capture the image. Target Azure Compute Gallery. Here I have to create one compute gallery. Then I will select generalized. VMs create from this image require hostname, user, and other VM related setup to be complete on first boot. Okay. So create a new image definition name. I am putting web image Okay, then I have to put a version name. Keep it as it is, no need to change any other option. Okay, now review and create. Click on create. It will take some time. I will come back once it's done. Now the deployment is successfully completed. So here I can see the VM image version and also my compute gallery, and also the wave image is there. Okay, now I am going to deploy a new virtual machine from the custom image. Here I have to choose the existing resource group. It's app VM 1. It's region Central India. No infrastructure redundancy required. It's standard. See all images instead of select the images from Azure Marketplace. See all images. Here I have to click shared images. Here we can see that wave image is there. Okay, I have to select this image. Put a username. And in inbound port I have to select the HTTP port as well. Go to next, next, and next, and review and create. Now the deployment is completed. Now we have successfully deployed a virtual machine from our custom image. Go to resource. Here is status is running. Now copy the public IP. Now we can see the web server is accessible through internet. via HTTP protocol. So we have successfully installed the virtual machine, and it's already included the IIS role. No need to install the IIS role. So now we have completed our today's demonstration. Thank you.